Samsung's major design decision is crucial for Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung has worked super hard over the years when it comes to their Galaxy Ultra flagship designs to finally achieve what could be described as the brand identity design. We see this in the Galaxy Z series, the S series, and even the A series. All of them look very similar. Not just that, even if you look at the One UI, the whole concept of that is giving a one brand identity software to all of the products that Samsung released on the market. Samsung used to have different mindset about this, but now it's very Apple-like direction. With all of this and the latest rumors in mind, there will not be a major change to the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead, it's gonna be different and possibly even cleaner than ever before. Samsung is working on the continuous zoom, and because of that, there is no need for a separate 3x lens. By removing that, we're gonna have more of a cleaner look. Of course, this is all based on the rumors, so nothing concrete yet, but this is how the possible design could look with that elimination of the 3x lens. Personally, I'm completely fine with this design direction. Whatever Samsung ultimately decides, they're likely going to keep this brand identity going, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. As for the front, sadly, Samsung's under panel camera technology is not there yet. It's gonna take at least 2 to 3 years. Even when you look at the latest under display cameras from other brands like ZTE, they're still quite a bit far away from the quality that we get from a normal front camera. Considering how important the front camera quality is for photo and especially for the video, we're still going to see hole punch design for at least 2 more years on the Ultra flagship, meaning S24 Ultra will still have a punch hole similar to the S23 Ultra. With that being said, rumors are pointing towards a display panel upgrade on the S24 Ultra, meaning higher brightness, even better colors, and of course, possibly a 144Hz refresh rate upgrade. Now, before the S24 Ultra, we're going to see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5, and we have some massive news claiming that Samsung is actually planning to reveal these latest foldables about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than expected, which means that the official launch of the Galaxy Z series could happen in the late July of 2023. The reason behind this is because Samsung wants to boost profit sales of 2023, which has not been very great in general for all tech brands, so this is their fix. Also, they're gonna get some strong competition from Google Pixel Fold in some markets, along with the Vivo X Fold's latest model that is coming as well, so expect the big unpack to happen a bit earlier than usual. So there we go, that's all the latest news. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.